In this video, we are showing you 7 ways of doing body waves in Bachata Sensual with a partner. And make sure to stay until the end because we are also doing a lot more different combinations and we are sure that you are going to love them. So let's go!
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams. Looked up through the bright lights, no stars did I see. You said it's all yours if you take it there. I said I can't do it alone, I swear. You said it's all yours when you smile. It's only you who loves me like you do. Trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Acting like a fool, wanna scream it from the roof. I'm trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Before your love, I was lost, drifting at sea. You were the beacon I followed home. You were the one who rescued me. You said it's all yours if you take it there. I said I can't do it alone, I swear. You said it's all yours when you smile. It's only you who loves me like you do. Trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Acting like a fool, wanna scream it from the roof. I'm trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. You said, I won't lose you now. It's only you who loves me like you do. Trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Acting like a fool, wanna scream it from the roof. I'm trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also comment down below which of these moves was your favorite. If you like this video, you're going to love these other combinations and moves. We hope to see you the next time. Bye.